gathering, I invite Dr. Harishchandra B., Organizing Chairman of the conference, Professor and Head, Department of General Surgery, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital, to deliver the welcome address.
It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of South Zone Conference of CELSI on behalf of the organizing committee and the Department of General Surgery of Yenoppoya Medical College. It's an honor to host this conference in line with the vision of our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Yenoppoya Abdullah Kunji, who has always encouraged academic and patient-centric activities in the institution. I welcome to Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, Pro-Chancellor and past Honorable Vice-Chancellor of Yenoppoya Deemed to be University, who is the driving force behind all our academic activities, including this conference. Welcome to you, sir. Honorable Vice-Chancellor Dr. Gangadhar Somayaji has taken a keen interest and supported our academic activities and skill-based teaching and learning. Hearty welcome to you, sir. A warm welcome to our Principal and Dean, Dr. Prakash Saldana, who has always been a pillar of strength to all our academic activities. Welcome to you, sir. Welcome to our Vice Principal, Dr. Abhay Nirgude. Always he has been supportive of all our curricular and co-curricular activities. I extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Senthil Kumar, National President of CELSI. Dr. Gopinath Pai, the President of the ASI's Dakshina Kannada district. Warm welcome to the organizing team led by Dr. Padma Kumar, Dr. Madhukar Pai, Dr. Risan Rajan, Ms. Premna Subin, Ms. Sandhya and others. I welcome Dr. Anjum Iftikhar, she was here, gynae oncologist, Dr. Mohammad Ismail, senior consultant laparoscopic surgeon, Dr. Shankar Nair, and head of the Department of Anesthesia. A warm welcome to professors, resource faculty from various institutions, members of CELSI, and colleagues from my own department, including Professor Dr. Musaba, Professor Dr. PSM Amir Ali, Professor Dr. Anant Prabhu, delegates and members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, a hearty welcome to you, each one of you. I wish you all the participants a nice time, a wonderful learning experience and exchange of ideas during this conference. Thank you all. Dr. Habib Rahman, who has always been support anything and any help I need any time of the day or evening or night, is always there to help us. Apologies for that oversight. I welcome you all. Welcome you, sir.
May I now invite Dr. K. Senthil Kumar, National President of CELSI, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I welcome you all and I thank for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Dr. Padma Kumar, Dr. Madhukar Pai has organized a wonderful workshop. From the morning till 7 o'clock, there was no non-stop display of either live surgeries or lectures. So this is the model of all the CELSI meetings. That it is actually if you see all the CELSI meetings, if you go, you will have plenty of learning opportunities. As younger surgeons, use these opportunities. There will be various zonal conferences and national conferences, so you can participate and make use of it. And the Yenoppoya Medical College and University is a fantastic infrastructure. Today morning, I operated in the operation theatre complex. Such a wonderful experience, because starting from the surgical colleagues to the entire anesthesia team, the staff nurse, everybody were so polite, and we had a fantastic experience in the morning in the operation theatre. I thank the entire surgical and anesthesia team for giving us this wonderful hall, and the entire hall audio was experience was very good. Absolutely, whatever we are seeing in the operation theatre was seen in the screen without any loss of signal. So that was the fantastic audio visual arrangement which they have arranged for the first time in the campus. So such a nicely organized audio visual team. Even though it's a first experience, they did a fantastic job. And I thank all the persons who are there sitting, and they were nicely coordinating with each and everyone and doing all the presentations also in between. So such a nice place, and as a SLC president, I invite all of you to join as a member, because the membership in South is relatively less. Its presence in North is very much high, but if you see in the South, the membership is very less. So it's just 1,000 rupees membership. If you join as a member, there are many benefits, and if you practice for 5 years after post MS, you will get FCLS, that is by International College of Laparoscopic Surgeons, you will get additional fellowship. If you apply for it, you'll get it. That is an additional advantage of joining an SLC member. It's the most economical membership in all the surgical societies. That is just 1,000 rupees. So please join as a member. Prema is there. Dr. Patma team is there. If you want, you can register. You can join tomorrow also. So it has got a lot of benefits. So every zone they are conducting conferences, and there'll be a national conference it's going to be happening in Manipur. So I request all of you to come and join the national conference. And it was a nice experience to be in this university, and it was a nice experience to learn so many things in the morning. And it was a feast, a continuous feast. And I thank the entire organizing team and all the faculties of Yenoppoya University for giving us this opportunity to conduct a workshop in the beautiful campus. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging words. To mark the auspicious beginning of this conference, I request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. All the dignitaries on the dais to kindly assemble for the official group photo. Privileged to invite Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenoppoya, Dean to be University, to deliver the inaugural address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and dear delegates, my apologies for not addressing all the delegates by name. In fact, it looks as though there are more number of people on the dais than off the dais. If I start calling out the names, then I will be standing in between you and the fabulous dinner what is being arranged on the other side of the hall. So my kind apologies. At the same time, I really feel honored to be a part of this special conference, which also has a live surgical component added to that. Though I am not a general surgeon, I am from surgical background, being an ENT surgeon, and I know the value of the live surgeries in the academic training of any surgeon. Reading from the textbooks is not difficult at all. In fact, we all used to do that only. I still remember my PG days long ago, in fact it is 32 years ago. Though I did from one of the so-called the prestigious institute and the top-ranked medical college in the country. The training in the surgical specialty in those days was really, really bad. We all used to see microscopic ear surgery from outside the microscope. That was the kind of training we had those days. Microscope did not have a side tube as well. And forget about this kind of live transmission, probably that was only in dreams. So I still remember my first laryngoplasty, that is, the repair of the surgical repair of the eardrum. I understood properly maybe 2 years during my tenure as PG. That was the time when I first saw a live surgical workshop done by one of the stalwarts in ENT those days in Bangalore. So when I understood the importance of live surgeries, I kept on attending one after the other, and that is how I picked up all my surgical skills. That is the reason probably when I came down here way back in 2007, from the department, I organized live surgeries one after the other, 3 or I think 4 consecutive times. But those days it was really, really challenging. It was an era when probably we used to show the surgeries. The transmission was through the cable. So somebody steps little hard on the cable, the transmission used to get lost. There used to be connectivity issues between the OT and the auditorium. Either the video is not there or the audio is not there. If both are not there, both are there, clarity is not there. So those kind of issues were there. But over the years, the things and the technology has improved dramatically. And I'm sure all of you definitely would have enjoyed the live surgical session thoroughly, thanks to the kind of technology what we have currently, and also thanks to the kind of utilization of the technology in our university. All credits should go to my former Vice Chancellor and the current Pro Chancellor, who during his tenure brought a systematic kind of training to all surgical specialties, being himself a surgeon. The modules what he created probably makes our university as one of the unique universities across the country. Probably we are the only university we have this kind of surgical training where students get trained on hands-on modules, that is in a simulation lab, then on the animal models, and of course also on the fresh frozen cadaver. I'm really proud to say that probably ours is one of the few universities in the country to have this kind of training. All credit again, I once again say that credit in fact goes to Dr. M. Vijay Kumar for he not only started this kind of training for the PGs, but he himself got trained in the latest of the latest technologies, the robo, and in fact he took our university to the next level by establishing an animal lab for the robo training itself. In fact, we are one of the recognized centers in the country for the robo training. We have a dedicated robo exclusively for the training purpose. I'm sure this 2 days conference, thanks to Dr. Padma Kumar and his team, will be a very, very nice learning experience for everyone. In fact, it is not at all easy to conduct a conference and surgical workshop. Having done earlier in my department, I know the difficulties. In fact, I must congratulate our general surgery team led by Dr. Harish Chandra, who has taken up all the trouble. The good work done by our department, surgical department, also needs to be appreciated, because the groundwork is as important as any other work. If the groundwork is not proper, the whole exercise becomes a waste. My congratulations to even anesthesia team. See, without them, probably no live surgical workshop will happen. Thanks to Dr. Shankar Narayana and his team. Definitely the anesthesia team also must have done a very good job, because all the cases went on very smoothly. Tomorrow again you have a lot of hands-on sessions as well. I'm sure all of you will enjoy those hands-on sessions equally as you did today. My congratulations to each and everybody who is responsible for bringing the conference here to our university. And only worrying fact for me is actually this should have been utilized by the postgraduate residents more than probably the number what is seen here. I'm sure learning activities at postgraduate level are little different, and this is one of the ways where you pick up lot of things. Probably things will improve with time. That is what I hope. Thanks for having me here. Thanks once again. After the program, in fact, there is a nice dinner arranged there. And also tomorrow, if time permits, those of you who are not from this place, I request the people to go around in this campus. Ours is a beautiful campus. In fact, we have 12 constituent faculties with more than 20,000 students. We run different specialties, not only health related, but technology, management and other allied courses as well. If time permits you, I request you to go through some of our key facilities like incubator, research center, and of course the state-of-the-art cancer hospital, which is supported, which has been established with the support of Tata Trust. Thank you once again for having me here.
Thank you, sir. We shall now proceed with the felicitation ceremony. I request the following dignitaries to kindly deliver their felicitation addresses. It is my privilege to invite Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, Honorable Pro-Chancellor and Director, Zuleka, Yenoppoya Institute of Oncology, to deliver his felicitation address.
It's indeed a pleasure to be here. But I thought after Dr. Gangadhar Swamiji, the Vice Chancellor of University, giving inaugural address, all the other names I thought would be only felicitations and mementos to me. But they are asking, I'm now worried everybody is going to talk more than me. Thank you. Anyway, thanks to the Vice Chancellor for his kind words about what has happened during the tenure of mine for 10 years. Fine, thank you. Thanks to him. But we have done this robotic live surgical programs and all earlier. But this is the first time we have been able to bring CELSI to our campus. Thank you, Dr. Batma Kumar and Madhukar Bhai, for giving that the opportunity and to showcase our work. And here with me, apart from Dr. Somayaji, there is the principal, the medical superintendent, and all other colleagues of mine from our university are on the dais. And more importantly, the CELSI National President Dr. Senthil Kumar is here. Anyway, it will be not wrong if I say, when I went for training for the GEM hospital 25 years ago for laparoscopy, Dr. Senthil was doing his DRNB surgical gastro, and after a long time I could meet him. Thanks that you have come all the way from Coimbatore, Dr. Senthil. And I see so many of you after a long time, and all the program went on well. In fact, I was little apprehensive till I saw the first LED coming up, because I have to tell you very proudly this part of it. This is the first ever time we have used our in-house capability of IT department and the young media without taking the assistance and of the professional people from outside. And I'm very, very happy that it came out well. My sincere thanks to those two departments, Young Media Center and the IT department, without whom this live surgical procedure would not have come out so well. As somebody said, flawless it went, both audio and video. Usually there will be some snag or the other, and that too we are doing it without the cable, and everything went well. I'm thankful both for the technology and the people behind the technology. And of course, I have to thank from morning 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If they could do, it's because of the cooperation and support of the nursing staff for the OT, other OT staff, and all those anesthetists. I'm very, very thankful to all this team. And the only thing when I came here in the morning was the number of attendees. It could have been better, I thought, but irrespective of the numbers, the quality of work that it was showed here was good, and also the quality of lectures, everything was going on well. And tomorrow, of course, as we said, you will be seeing another dimension for the training part of it, that is the large animal facility, which we call it as Advanced Surgical Skill Enhancement Division. And this is one of the very few. When I was sent to get trained in Robo 11 years ago to Korea, it struck me that when another university, it's called a Surveillance University in Seoul, Korea, I have to go there because there was no facility at that time available in India. So I came back and told my chancellor that we should start our own. He said, yes, go ahead. That is how this is. So I am thankful to the management for supporting for all these events and also giving us a free hand to do what we want to do. I am thankful to the management in their absence. Having said all this, I have to tell you, you have come all the way in spite of the rain, and I am happy to see you all even staying now till 8 o'clock, and I am sure you will continue to enjoy what we are doing today and tomorrow. And I thank and compliment and congratulate all the people concerned who did this job, either directly or indirectly, particularly the well-radiant crew and the CELSI office bearers and the Department of Surgery and Anesthesiology for coming out with a much, much better show today in the live surgery. Thank you very much. Thank God and God bless.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Dr. Prakash Robert N. Saldana, Dean and Principal, to kindly address the August gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, all the participants, faculties, a very good evening to all of you. As a principal of Yenoppoya Medical College, I really feel honored and feel very proud for organizing such a wonderful surgical conference, and that too in this way. So thank you very much, sir, for Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, our Pro-Chancellor and previous Vice-Chancellor, for guiding and supporting the entire team, the surgery department and the anesthesia department and all other, and special thanks to the IT. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity to come here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is my pleasure to invite Dr. R. Padmakumar, past President, CELSI, to deliver his felicitation address.
My dear friends, it is with immense pleasure we are standing in front of you as past President of CELSI and one of the patrons of this conference, because we could put up a very good show, as everybody said, except for the number of participants to be there. It's an excellent conference with so much of good clinical material, whether it is live surgery, CME, all those. And tomorrow we will have lot of training sessions which are happening. I think 7-8 years before, when the Ascent was being set up, I still remember Vijay Kumar sir and myself going around the area to see where to set up and how to start, and we actually started with our training program here. And always when the register is seen, ours is written. The Verventen Institute has been the first one to start off with these procedures, and then it was excellently taken up into various departments, and it is running good. Even now we are closely associated on a regular basis for our training program, where we are able to utilize the training modules in different aspects, whether it is lectures, then simulators, animal lab facility, then again live surgical procedures for excellent learning experience, skill enhancement for surgeons. CELSI as an organization has always stood for skill development training, and they wanted to do programs in different parts of the country to bring up all surgeons in that area to learn minimally invasive surgery in the best way. In that endeavor only, when it was awarded, the South Zone Conference was awarded to our team. What we thought is, anyway, we are associated with Yenoppoya University, where whenever we come, it is like, means we sometimes feel like we are having more freedom than what we do it in our own center, because whether it is Vice Chancellor office or down, Dean was also a surgeon, Musaba is around, then Dr. Amir Ali sir, Dr. Harish Chandra, all of them say they are there with us for all the programs, and anesthesia side, sir also supports Dr. Sangaran. I still remember he was there for even anesthetizing animal lab facility when we started off. All of them accept, encourage and support our event, so that seamlessly we used to do all these 3-4 days of laparoscopic training programs on various subjects, and that is why we wanted to do the program here, and we have been excellently supported by all of them, and then the new team of administration, the new VC, registrar, principal, all of them supported us in this event. We had multiples of video conferencing, then physical meetings, all of them, and they did. And other departments, Dr. Mujib, Roshan, Mariam, all those surgical oncology, urology, gastrosurgery, all of them are really supporting along with anesthesia team for wonderful conduct of this program. And I'm proud to say that my team, Dr. Pai, Dr. Sen, Ms. Premna, Sandhya, Manish, Nikki, Krishna, all of them were doing excellent work, though from far. And presently, means they are all present here today to see that this conference is conducted in the best way, and all the delegates who are participating are really benefited. And regarding Dr. Senthil's remark for CELSI membership, like what we did in Cochin, what we wanted to offer the delegates that we will sponsor your membership. This conference will sponsor your membership. Just send us a filled up CELSI form with your medical council registration, PG certificate and photo. We will make sure that that form is sent to the office and you get a CELSI membership without paying any fees. This offer is valid for this month. So that please do not skip that offer, so that all of you will be CELSI members. You will get to know about CELSI and the organization, and we will teach you minimal access surgery in a detailed manner. So once again, extremely thankful to the Yenoppoya team and the CELSI team, as well as my own training institute team for putting up a good show for the benefit of surgeons all across this part of country. And we had excellent faculty coming from various parts of the country. They did a very good job. My sincere gratitude to all of them. I can see Dr. Mohammed is here. Dr. Bhavanindrila and other team members have gone. Majority of them are here around. And once again, expressing my gratitude as a person who was initially coordinating with these things, and still we would love to come to this place, do more programs. Thank you once again, and all the best to delegates.
Thank you, sir. We shall now proceed with the presentation of mementos as a token of our appreciation. May I invite Dr. S.N. Rajan, faculty, Vervandelin Institute, and Mrs. Premna Subin, Conference Manager and General Manager, Vervandelin Institute, to kindly present the mementos to our esteemed dignitaries. I also request the faculty members of the Department of General Surgery to kindly join them in presenting saplings to our distinguished dignitaries as a symbol of gratitude and our commitment to a greener future. Dr. Prakash Robert M. Saldana, Dean and Principal, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. Abhay Nirgude, Vice Principal, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. Habib Rahman, Medical Superintendent, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. K. Senthil Kumar, National President, CELSI. Dr. R. Padma Kumar, Past President, CELSI. Dr. Madhukar Pai, Vice President, CELSI. Dr. M.S. Musaffa, Senior Professor, Ex-Principal and Dean, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. Harish Chandra B, Organizing Chairman of the Conference, Professor and HOD, Department of General Surgery, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. P.S.M. Amir Ali, Professor and former Head, Department of General Surgery, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. Anand Prabhu K.A., Professor and Unit Chief, Department of General Surgery, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. Dr. Gopinath Pai, Professor and Head of Department, Department of General Surgery, KVG Hospital, Sulya. Dr. Shankar Narayana P, Head, Department of Anesthesia, Yenoppoya Medical College and Hospital. May I now request Dr. Padma Kumar to present the mementos and sapling to Dr. Resin Rajan and Mrs. Premna Sobin. Thank you. I request all the dignitaries to kindly resume their seats on the dais. Conclusion of this inaugural ceremony. I request Dr. Madhukar Pai, Organizing Secretary and Vice President, CELSI, to deliver the vote of thanks.
All the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, your encouraging words that kept the tone of this conference. I also thank all the faculties and all the delegates who are here who utilized this event, because your presence and your interactions made the conference lively. I also thank the volunteers, organizing committee, and all those who were behind the stage, all the sponsors who supported the event, as well as all the exhibitors and other technical staff who were instrumental in creating this event. As part of Team Bovendine, I thank Padma Kumar sir and his entire team for holding this conference here. As part of Vice President CELSI, I thank the CELSI team for choosing this place for the conference. As I also thank the entire team Yenoppoya, and also as a part of the Joint Secretary ISCP, I request them to help us in conducting some further conferences here in the form of FICP Con, because the entire live surgery, everything went so smoothly that there was no glitches, and the live transmission was so great. And I am very sure those who are here, they were few procedures, they were trained in so well. And tomorrow it is the hands-on training sessions where we will make them do the things on live tissues, which they can utilize, and they can go back to their places and start doing newer procedures. So to arrange this entire scenario, I thank the entire team Yenoppoya for giving us a chance. Okay, now food is there, open, food counter is open. Thank you. Everybody was telling like the food here is superb. The biryani, the smell of the biryani, the afternoon after surgery, it was so good. And thank you the team for providing good food here.